If an animal's physical traits are its hardware, its behavior is the software. It's what an animal does to survive, and this software is incredibly fast. While physical evolution takes millions of years, an animal can change its behavior in a matter of seconds to face a new threat or seize an opportunity. Some of this software comes pre-installed. We call it instinct. These are automatic behaviors performed perfectly the first time without any teaching. Think of a spider spinning an intricate web or a beaver building a complex dam. No one hands them a blueprint, it's coded directly into their genes. A moth flying toward a light is acting on instinct, just as an earthworm wriggles away from it. This is essential for survival, especially when there are no parents around. But for more intelligent animals, survival requires learning, gaining wisdom from experience. This can be as simple as imprinting, where a baby duck follows the first moving thing it sees, keeping it safe. Or it can be trial and error, like a toad eating a bee once and learning to forever avoid any insect with black and yellow stripes. At its most advanced, we see true insight, a crow cleverly bending a wire into a hook to snag a piece of meat from a narrow tube. These behaviors scale up into incredible life or death strategies. To escape a hostile winter, an Arctic tern migrates 70,000 kilometers, chasing an endless summer from pole to pole. A bear, instead of leaving, simply shuts down. It hibernates, slowing its heart to just a few beats per minute to wait out the famine. Animals also use behavior to work together. Wolves hunt in coordinated packs to take down prey far larger than themselves, while meerkats post a sentry to guard the group as it eats. From a simple reflex to complex cooperation, behavior is the dynamic, brilliant tool that allows life to adapt and endure.